Depends on if you like cold weather, if you like the potential for snow, and if that's up your alley, then you'll like what Natasha has to share for us.
Yeah, either way, you're not coming out of this without getting cold, I can tell you that much. Now, who's going to see the snow is the big question mark. So right now in Ridgefield, it's 35 degrees. We are dry tonight through tomorrow and likely through most of Wednesday. So 35, so we're already feeling much cooler than we were this time yesterday. 33 in Gresham right now. Troutdale, you're at 33. Vancouver, 35. Oregon City, 36. Cold air aloft is starting to move in, and it's expected to arrive here as soon as we get to late Wednesday and into Thursday. By Friday, dropping even further south. We'd like to see it advance a little bit further to the southwest, and it does on Friday. Stays there through Saturday. Look at that, goes further south, and then retreats as soon as we get to Sunday. So that's a key part of when we're looking at numbers and possibilities is what's happening above us. So now let's go down to the surface and talk about the key elements that we need to have happen in order to get some snow in the valley, whether you want it there or not. So certainly for eastern Oregon, for the Gorge, western Washington, it looks like chances are you're going to be getting that snow. Now, will we see it in Portland? Well, here's Thursday night, and notice this big green swath right over I-5 as you go from Medford all the way up to just about Portland. Now, it's going to be a very fine line where you have the snow and where you have the rain. And you could be looking across the street and say, "Where's my snow?" Well, I'm just telling you right now that it is going to be a very fine line Thursday night. Now watch what happens as we get to Friday. Now Friday, we've already started to pull in much cooler air from the east, transport it to the west. So now your chances increase right around Portland to get some of that snow. Certainly as you go north there over to Vancouver and Ridgefield and La Center, all the way up through Kelso. But still, areas south of Portland, not looking so likely until we get to Saturday. Saturday, another system comes in, which may also be able to deliver more of that, more moisture and the cold air. Well, it's already in place. So as we get through Sunday, looking at some of that moisture starting to break up. But I just want to show you an example of some of the models that we're seeing here. We're not going to go all the way out. Let me just take you into Thursday night. So one thing that seems to be very certain is getting through the gorge. You're expected to start to accumulate some snow as we get to Thursday morning. Still not seeing anything for Portland here until we get to Thursday night. There's your potential. There's one model showing a ½ inch. Okay, well, let's take a look at this next model, the global forecast system. Okay, that's putting a little bit more snow over Portland. Still some differences here. Putting out more snow also for the Cascades. And then we go to our old favorite, the Euro. Okay, what's the Euro saying? As we get to Thursday 4 o'clock, same time period, showing nothing for Portland, but still consistently showing more snow accumulation for Hood River out towards Pendleton, eastern Oregon, La Grande, and certainly over the Cascades. 7-day forecast looks like this. Your temperatures tomorrow, 47 and sunny, like that. 45, partly cloudy on Wednesday. Watch those temperatures drop in a big way. Those overnight lows dropping down into the mid-20s by the time we get to this Thursday, Friday, and Saturday.
Natasha, thank you. And